Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a quick video today. I'm going to be putting the correct interior inside the Fiesta. As I mentioned in another video, it does currently have Fiesta RS Turbo interior, the front seats and the rear seats. I managed to source the correct interior a few months back, and today I'm going to be swapping it all over because I need to make a bit of space in storage. I'm going to start by removing the front seats first. All you need for that is a ratchet and a 10mm socket. So let's get them out. Next up is to remove these back seats. It does look like there's a few screws missing, maybe these brackets aren't lining up properly, but I'll have to get some more of these. They're a Torx 40. I'm just going to whip them out now. That's the front and rear seats taken out. As you can see with my forehead, I'm sweating like mad. It's roasting in this car. It's one of the hottest days of the year. There's no wind, so I'm going to hurry up and get the RS 1800 interior put back in. Finally, the Fiesta's got the correct RS 1800 interior in. It's been a ball ache today with the weather. I'm absolutely wet through. The interior does smell like dog a little bit, so I think I'm going to rent a rug doctor and give it a proper wet vac. But I'm happy now it's all back to original in here. I just need to give the door cards a clean up, give everything a really good hoover, and it's job done. Thanks for watching.